Hey guys, we are back in the kitchen because what else are you going to do when you're on lockdown? You stay home and you bake with your children. And this is my little baby girl. And today we are making mini cupcakes, vanilla mini cupcakes with a pink frosting, right? Did you want a pink frosting? Yes? And what do we put in them? M&Ms. And just by this was pretty full, by the way, so we've been she's been eating away the M&Ms here. Honey, you gotta save some. Can I have one? Let me see. Mmm, that's delicious. Okay, M&Ms. So here we have some avocado oil. We have some sugar. We're gonna put the whisk in there, which it has already. We're gonna beat it. We're gonna add some eggs in there. Eggs, right? Good old eggs. Organic, large eggs. Let's whip it up. You wanna give Daddy the vanilla? Thank you. Put a little vanilla in there, extract. And we have some almond milk, which is great. You can use regular milk if you want, but we are non-dairy here pretty much. All right. And then we are gonna add, let's put this down here. We have some gluten-free flour, some baking powder, and some salt. Now, of course, you can add regular flour to this, but we do no gluten in this house. We are sensitive to gluten, the whole family, so we don't do gluten, but you could do AP flour, which is all-purpose flour. All right, we're gonna put this together. You get to do something that you've been wanting to do all day long. We're gonna add the M&Ms in there. She doesn't want to add the M&Ms. No. Sophia, you gotta add the M&Ms. These are M&M cupcakes. Here. Oh boy, we have a problem here, folks. Do you want M&M cupcakes? Okay. I guess can I add a little bit? Just a little bit. You do it. You do it. This is what happens when a kid loves M&Ms. Here, put some in there. It's your turn. Put it in there. One by one. We'll be here all day here, folks.
Just put half the bowl.
Just half the bowl. Can Daddy do half the bowl?
No.
All right, you do half the bowl.
Okay, pour it in there, baby.
Pour it in there. Here, with Daddy. You hold it with Daddy. I'm not going to put everything. You can't put everything. She will go crazy. Look. Ready? Can I put everything?
No.
A little bit more. You're going to get more, I promise. Okay, you can keep the rest. I'll give you more. I'll give you more, baby. I promise. Look. I tell you. I was worried about how this was going to go. All right. I'll give you more. I'll give you more. How about that? Okay, so let's do this. You ready? You mix it up. Mix it up. There it is. There she goes. She's happy now. Thank the Lord. FYI, maybe don't do the M&Ms, I guess. All right, so can Daddy put this in here? Ready?
Yes.
All right, let's see how this works here. You got a little ice cream scoop. Ice cream scoop, and we're basically gonna put these in little mini cupcake tins here that has been lined up, and that's it. And then we are going to add this into the oven. Well, I should say put it inside an oven that's 350 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna take it out, and then we're gonna frost it up with some pink frosting and add more M&Ms. I'm hoping she will let us add more M&Ms on top of the frosting. So stay tuned, come right back, and we'll be putting this in the oven. Okay, we're back in the kitchen here, right? And the cupcakes were baked off, and they're cooling down. Well, they cooled down already. And what I made was a buttercream pink frosting. Yes, and the recipe to this frosting will be in the description below, plus all the measurements for the cupcakes. So now we are going to frost the cupcakes. But look at this. I just want to show you guys. Look at this. How beautiful. Little specks of M&Ms in there. And make sure when you put the M&Ms in the batter, you don't fold it too much. Don't stir it too much because then it starts dissolving and then you won't get that rainbow effect. Okay, Sophia, so you ready this? Let's do this one. Let's do one. Ooh. Look at that. Look at this. Now I'm going to show you. We're going to do a couple of more. Okay, and then I want you to do something which I'm hoping you'll allow me to do. Can we now put some M&Ms on top?
Yeah!
She's allowing me to put the M&Ms. Oh my God, this is amazing. Okay, I want you to do the M&Ms. No, on here, on the frosting. Look, I'll show you, look. See? Ah, look how pretty. You want to put some? Go ahead.
I want brown.
You want to put brown? I'll put a couple of more. Go ahead. You keep on putting it in there. Daddy wants to actually. Let's try one. Should we try one? Okay. I'm opening them up. Look at this.
I don't want to open it.
No, we're gonna open it because I want to cut it in half so I can show everybody what this looks like. Let's see. Let's cut it. And you see? Look at that. See how cute that is? Like a little rainbow in there, different colors. So now the proof's in the cupcake. You want to taste? Let me see. Is that good or what?
That's good.
That is amazing. Such a fun project you could do with your little ones because we're at stay at home right now, right? We can't go out, so what do? We bake, just like I told you in the beginning of the recipe. So, that's it. So make sure to give us a thumbs up, right, Sophia? Should we tell them to subscribe?
Subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel and let us know what you guys are making with your kids indoors. Take care, everyone. We'll see you next time.